Welcome to a tutorial on WordPress for beginners. Now, by beginners, I mean clients or people that have had a WordPress site made for them and are now wondering how to use it. So right here, we're at the login screen, which should be your URL /wp-admin.php. Otherwise, get it from your webmaster. Now, this site that you can see now is the one that we're going to look at the back end of. So it's Janet McNeil's Mornington Real Estate Agent website. Now, just a little thing, this particular site, the home page where we are, is the latest article submission placement. So we're going to add a post that will come onto this site, and all of these other pages are permanent pages. So a little bit more like a website, and the home page is more like a blog. So you can see this is a permanent page. Now let's get back to the login. So we put our username and password in, we log in, we reach the dashboard. Now dashboards can look a little bit different depending on what plugins and themes, etc., all those sort of different things we've got going on are installed on your site. Now, for the way this particular site is set up, and it may be different, so you may have to speak to your webmaster to find out exactly where things go, but all we need to do for this site is come into posts. We can see all posts, and to add a new post to the blog, which is the home page of this site, we just simply click add new post, and here is the new post, and here is the text for the new post. Now, to make it really simple, I'm going to show you that that's it, we're done. A title, some text, refresh the home page. In fact, we better go back to the home page. Here is the new post. Now, it's a post, it's also its own page, but on the home page is where it'll always have a snippet or the article. It's just how this one has been set up. They are very flexible. Let's go back. Now it's saved it and we're still here. We can edit the name of the URL. So it might a title might be rather long, you might want to shorten it, or vice versa. This is also an area where we can improve the SEO. You can see we just have to click there and off it goes. It's a little bit like a Word document in that it's called a WYSIWYG. What you see is what you get. If we click bold, it goes bold, and that's what's going to appear on the site. We can create a link by highlighting a word, insert a link, and type in the address, or copy the address from somewhere and paste it. That's a nice easy way of doing it, making sure it's correct. And there's plenty of options up here to explore for yourself. Adding an image, we click the add an image button. We select a file and we go through the standard rigmarole of choosing a file and popping it in, choosing some options. Now down here we also have a great product for SEO for WordPress, WordPress SEO by Yoast. It shows us what Google should make the page look like if it was to appear in a Google search. So we can change the title, which it's just grabbing from the title post. It's grabbing it from there and also putting the main title post from the core settings of this whole WordPress site in there. So SEO title, you know, are you looking for the hardest working Mornington real estate agent? So now that's going to, once we click out of there, that's going to appear, and here is the text that will appear in Google if it comes up in a search result. A little bit of what we should be doing here is selling. You know, it's a bit of a sales pitch. We want to enter the mind of the viewer, sell to them, so that they have a good old reason to click on this link. Okay, so if we update that, it's not going to look any different, but it is optimized. So thanks for watching. Next post, I'll show you how to change permanent pages.